As we age, muscle loss becomes a frustrating reality for many, impacting our ability to enjoy life to the fullest. It can sneak up on you, gradually diminishing your physical capabilities and overall well being. But what if I told you there's a simple, readily available food that could help turn that around, potentially reversing the effects of muscle loss and restoring your vitality? Muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia, affects millions of older adults worldwide, making everyday activities a significant challenge and diminishing their quality of life. It's not just about losing strength, it's about losing independence and the ability to live life on your own terms. Imagine being unable to walk without assistance, struggling to cook a simple meal, or even needing help to dress yourself each morning. Muscle loss starts in our 30s and accelerates after 60. By the time we're 80, nearly 15% of our muscle mass can be gone. This isn't just a natural part of aging, it's a serious condition that can lead to falls, fractures, and a shorter life expectancy. So, what causes it? A combination of factors, including reduced physical activity, poor nutrition, and chronic diseases. When it comes to nutrition for older adults, the conversation often centers around the importance of getting enough protein. And while protein is undoubtedly vital, it's crucial to remember that protein alone isn't a complete solution. It's just one piece of the puzzle. A truly balanced diet, one that's abundant in a variety of fruits, a rainbow of vegetables, nutrient-dense whole grains, and sources of healthy fats, is absolutely crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being as we age. Yet, despite knowing this, many seniors still struggle to consistently obtain all the essential nutrients their bodies require. This can lead to a number of health complications. That's precisely where our specific food product comes into play. A carefully formulated food that's been rigorously studied and shown to have a remarkably significant impact on muscle recovery and overall strength maintenance in older adults. For quite some time now, researchers have dedicated their efforts to studying the effects of this unique food on muscle loss, a common concern among aging individuals, and the results observed thus far are exceptionally promising, offering a beacon of hope for improved health outcomes. So, what is this miracle food? It's something you might already have in your kitchen: eggs. Yes, eggs. They're an excellent source of protein, vitamins, and minerals essential for muscle growth and repair. Several studies have highlighted the benefits of egg consumption for muscle recovery in older adults. But how do eggs help with muscle recovery? They're rich in leucine, an amino acid that plays a key role in muscle protein synthesis. This means that eggs can help stimulate muscle growth and repair. Many experts recommend eggs as part of a balanced diet for seniors. Incorporating eggs into your diet is easy. You can scramble them, boil them, or make an omelet. The possibilities are endless. Some people might worry about cholesterol, but for most older adults, dietary cholesterol has a limited impact on blood cholesterol levels. Despite the benefits, there are challenges to promoting eggs as a solution for muscle loss. Some seniors might have misconceptions about eggs and cholesterol. Others might face accessibility issues or simply be resistant to changing their diets. To overcome these challenges, nutritionists and health organizations are working hard to educate seniors about the benefits of eggs. For those who are interested in learning more about combating muscle loss and the role nutrition plays, there are many valuable resources available to you. Knowledge is power, and taking the initiative to educate yourself is the first step. You can start by having an open and honest conversation with your doctor or consulting with a registered dietitian. These professionals can offer tailored guidance based on your individual health needs and circumstances. They can provide personalized advice and practical strategies on how to seamlessly incorporate eggs into your daily diet. This might include suggesting specific recipes, portion sizes, and the best times to consume eggs for optimal muscle health. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to dietary changes. In conclusion, muscle loss is a serious health issue that affects millions of older adults, impacting their strength, mobility, and overall quality of life. But the good news is that with the right approach to nutrition, including a focus on protein-rich foods, it's entirely possible to slow down, stop, and even reverse the effects of muscle loss. Eggs are a simple, affordable, and incredibly versatile food that can be a powerful ally in your fight against muscle loss. They are packed with essential nutrients and high-quality protein, making them an excellent choice for supporting muscle growth and repair. If you're concerned about muscle loss or sarcopenia, I strongly encourage you to explore the benefits of incorporating eggs into your regular diet. Please share this video with your friends, family, and anyone else who might be interested in learning more about maintaining muscle health as they age. For more valuable tips and insights on living a long and vibrant life, don't forget to check out our other videos on nutrition, healthy recipes, and aging gracefully. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.